Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat friends Bitmoji not showing up. So the very first reason why your friends Bitmoji not showing up, maybe because your internet connection is bad. So you need to make sure that your internet connection is good or bad. You need to test it, and next, or you can just test the clicker data that you have and make sure that it is strong. If you still have the problem, just take a picture of that person that you don't see, or one friend of other friends that you don't see the Bitmoji, and just go ahead to your avatar icon, go to your settings, scroll down, okay, to you'll find the feedback, okay, and shake to report. And I'm gonna shake my phone and get back to you. After I shook my phone, I'm gonna report a bug, and I'm gonna add an attachment, which is I'm gonna add a screenshot. Okay, this is my screenshot right here, and I'm gonna tell the problem of why this is happening to me, and please give me and please show me the Bitmoji of my friends that I can't see it. And you're gonna just choose the topic right here and choose Bitmoji and just type and basically click submit, and that wraps it up. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.